The theme for this year is midwives needed now more than ever to save the lives of mothers and babies in the county governments. Currently in our county, 83 maternal deaths per 100,000 live births. This is indeed very high compared to the national average, which stands at 488 maternal deaths per 100,000 live births. And it is unacceptable that no woman should have to face death while giving birth. Death and complications at birth are preventable, and no mother and her child should be left to die during this time. Most of the times, mortality is due to the four delays: delay in seeking health care, delay in transportation, delay in reception at the health facility, and delay in making prompt decision as advised by the doctor. Bleeding before and after delivery, serious systematic infection, usually during or after delivery, seizures associated with increased blood pressure before, during, and after delivery, prolonged and obstructed labor, especially where trained health personnel are not available, and unsafe abortions or termination of pregnancies before the 20th weeks in unclean settings by untrained personnel is what causes deaths. My county government is taking the lives of our people very seriously, and this is demonstrated by what we've been able to do in the last 12 months. We have recruited over 200 healthcare workers to increase the patient to personnel ratio and improve services like skilled deliveries and immunization. We continue to recruit more people. We continue to enhance in the areas where we don't have expertise. We have purchased 8 new ambulances, which will be delivered soon. We have repaired all the existing ambulances. We have constructed over 30 maternity extensions to dispensary wings. We have constructed 7 new dispensaries to bring services closer to the residents.